In 2007, a quiet, introverted founder sat in a small California office, watching his company fall apart. Investors were furious. The press called him a failure. He'd poured years into a startup that should have made him rich, and it nearly destroyed him instead. That man was Naval Ravikant. 15 years later, he'd be worth hundreds of millions of dollars, sit on the boards of companies most people only dream of touching, and write a single short post online that gets quoted more often than entire books on wealth. But here's the part nobody tells you. Naval insists you don't need his luck, his connections, or his Silicon Valley address to do what he did. He says real wealth is a skill, one you can learn like any other, no dice required. So why are you still trading your hours for a paycheck that disappears the moment you stop showing up? Let's break this down, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do about it. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most people will work their entire lives and never become wealthy. Not because they're lazy, not because they're unlucky. They fail for one simple reason. They're playing the wrong game. Think about your own week. You wake up, you go to work, you trade hours for a salary. The moment you stop showing up, the money stops too. That's not wealth, that's rent. And like any rental, it has a ceiling, because you only have so many hours in a day before your body and mind give out. Traditional advice says, work harder, climb the ladder, save 10%, wait 40 years. Naval looked at that formula and rejected it outright. Hard work matters, but it's not how much you work that makes you wealthy. It's what kind of work keeps paying you after you've stopped doing it. Most people repeat this mistake every single year. They confuse being busy with building something. They climb a ladder built by someone else's for someone else's benefit, then wonder, a decade later, why they're exhausted, replaceable, and still one paycheck from trouble. This isn't a motivation problem, it's a structural one. The fix isn't try harder, it's a completely different operating system for wealth and happiness, one most schools never teach and most jobs quietly discourage, because a content, replaceable employee is exactly what the system rewards. That operating system is what the Almanack of Naval Ravikant lays out, not as theory, but as a manual. Today, we're turning every page of it into something you can use, starting this week. What this video will give you. Here's how this works. We'll walk through 6 core lessons. For each, you get exactly what to do, how to do it, a real example, the mistake to avoid, and a challenge to start today. By the end, you'll have a 7-day action plan and a 30-day challenge to make it stick. Grab a notebook. You're going to want to write some of this down. Why it matters. Naval draws a hard line between 3 things people constantly confuse. Status is your position in a social hierarchy, relative, zero-sum, and someone only rises if someone else falls. A bigger title, more followers, a flashier car, that's a status game, and status games never end, because there's always someone above you. Money is just a way to move wealth around, a social IOU, necessary, but it doesn't create anything on its own. Wealth is different. Wealth is owning assets, businesses, investments, code, content, property that earn for you while you sleep. Wealth is what actually buys freedom. Common mistake? People spend their 20s and 30s chasing money and status, the next raise, the next promotion, the next thing worth posting about, while never asking whether any of it compounds. They feel busy and important. They are not getting rich. Step-by-step implementation. 1. Take 5 minutes and list every income source in your life. Label each one honestly. Wealth, which pays you whether or not you personally show up, or rent, which stops the second you stop working. 2. Look at last week's calendar. Circle every hour spent on a status game, looking good to others, versus a wealth game, building something that compounds. 3. Move just 1 hour this week from a status activity to a wealth-building activity. Not 10, 1. Small, repeatable shifts are the entire point. Real-life example? Naval avoided the typical status games of his industry, the big office, the public ego battles, and instead built a platform that didn't need him personally hustling every deal. It became an asset that worked independently of his hours. Expected result? Within a few months, your calendar quietly shifts. Fewer hours performing, more hours producing something that still exists when you're not in the room. Action challenge? Tonight, write down your income sources and label each one wealth or rent. Tomorrow, we build on this.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support really helps the channel grow.